I now request Shri Shantanu Gupta, founder Ramayana School, to please step forward and address the gathering.
Namaste everyone. I'm Shantanu. I come from UP. Good to see Srijan here. How are you doing? And a lot of my friends in Hyderabad call me Telugu Alludu. I'm married to a Telugu. So that's my introduction to Hyderabad. Here, a lot of teachers are sitting, and Dr. Shashi was telling me that all the principals together here represent almost 2 lakh students, madam. Not only thousands of them. So almost 2 lakh students representative are sitting here to applaud to all of you first. And these teachers are like the pillars of the future building for this 2 lakh young people that will come in future. My core is Indian knowledge system, and I'll be taking a session around how to teach Ramayana to kids post-lunch. And fortunately, in the new education policy, there's a whole section about Indian knowledge system. I'll just take a few names, and that will maybe ignite our minds. That how these luminaries, which we call rishis in our ancient terminology, but they are nothing but scientists. And now from Germany to US to UK, they are formally studied. Like someone like Panini. So if you go to best of the linguist school in Germany, Germany has many of them, they study Panini formally. And rules of grammar that we study in various languages today, they also borrow a lot of knowledge from Panini. Someone like Sushruta and Charak, best of the school, best of the books of modern anatomy, modern surgery, refer Sushruta and Charak today. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras and Patanjali's Ayurveda principles are used in modern medicine even today. Valmiki and Vedvyas, who has given us the biggest epics in the world still. There's no biggest epic than Mahabharata. And do you want to guess how many shlokas are there in Mahabharata? Anyone? Mahabharata has 1 lakh shlokas. And I'm sure all of you know, shloka is a 2-line couplet, right? So, I'm an author myself, I've authored 7 books. So I can imagine how voluminous 1 lakh shlokas, 2 lines each, and every shloka has 7 to 8 words. So you can imagine how mammoth the text is, right? And Mahabharata, which is the second largest epic, is 24,000 shlokas, right? So these are the 2 biggest epics of the world still today. And we are following it various ways. So Valmiki, Rishi Valmiki and Vedyvyasa. Aryabhatta was given us principles of mathematics, still used in a lot of ways in modern mathematics also. With one last name, I'll rest. We watch a lot of the new cartoons, right? It's someone like Mowgli, right? Someone like Jungle Book. I realized very recently that India is the origin of storytelling through animals, and that's through Vishnu Sharma. So Panchtantra was the first book where someone introduced the idea of a talking animal. Today it looks very natural, right? An animal can also talk, right? In a story. But someone like Vishnu Sharma, who started it through Panchtantra, and those 73 stories of Panchtantra, he created to educate the sons of a king, right? So there's a lot to learn from Indian knowledge system. And I think a lot of such conferences are a good amalgamation of modern knowledge and modern tools. And that's what we do in Ramayana School. We use modern learning tools, edtech tools, to teach the lessons from Ramayana to kids. We have taught almost 10,000 kids across the globe in last 3 years. And hopefully post afternoon I'll see many of you again in my session. Thank you.